Most people think history was shaped by wars, leaders, or technology. But some of the biggest changes in human history came from plants. Plants people touched every day. Plants that shaped food, trade, and daily life without most people ever realizing it. One of the most important plants in human history is wheat. Wheat made it possible for people to settle in one place instead of constantly moving. It helped build civilizations, towns, and entire societies. Even today, wheat is still one of the most widely used food crops in the world. Another plant that changed history is the tea plant. Tea influenced trade routes, social habits, and entire cultures. It became part of daily routines for millions of people and helped shape global trade for centuries. Even now, tea remains one of the most consumed drinks on earth. Cotton is another plant that changed everything. Cotton transformed clothing, industry, and economies. It shaped how people dressed, how goods were traded, and how societies developed. A simple plant ended up influencing global markets and everyday life. Some plants didn't change history through food or trade, but through early medicine. Willow trees are one example. Long before modern medicine, people noticed that willow bark was traditionally used to ease pain. That observation eventually influenced the development of some of the most common pain relief medicines used today. Even trees like pine played a role in shaping daily life. Pine trees were used for building homes, making tools, and supporting early settlements. They were valued not because they were rare, but because they were everywhere and reliable. These plants weren't important because they were exotic or mysterious. They mattered because they were part of everyday life. Human history isn't just written in books. It's written in the plants people grew, used, and depended on. Once you start noticing these plants, you realize how closely human life has always been connected to tea.